Welcome to 6 Mackenzie Mews in the family-oriented Glencairn Village neighbourhood, steps away from St. Theresa Elementary School, Judge Bryant Elementary School, tennis courts, multiple parks, Judge Bryant Rink, and much more. This 1976 built 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1,134 square foot, 2-story townhouse style condo is located in the Village Green Estates complex. You enter this home into the foyer with a coat closet and space for a bench or shoe storage. The living room is bright and spacious with a large picture window that lets in plenty of natural light. The dine-in kitchen has space for a table and chairs and includes the fridge, stove, and hood fan. To the side is a handy 2-piece bathroom and access to the backyard. Upstairs on the second floor begins with a generous primary bedroom featuring a large closet with double doors. Next is the main 4-piece bathroom. Followed by 2 more bedrooms. The basement is undeveloped but exceptionally clean, offering excellent potential for future customization. The own furnace, washer, and dryer are all included in the basement. The fully fenced backyard offers a secure outdoor space for children and pets to play. You have one exclusive parking stall right outside your front door, and there is a visitor parking section for guests. Condo fees are $330 a month, and that includes common area maintenance, exterior building maintenance, garbage, common insurance, lawn care, sewer, and reserve fund. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you're interested in this condo or know somebody that may be, please feel free to reach out to us and we'd be happy to help. If you'd like to see more of this condo, we have a 3D virtual tour in the comments section. Thanks again for watching.